Did you know that the average American consumer debt is $38,000 excluding mortgages? That's a lot of money to pay back, especially if you're struggling with high interest rates and late fees. But don't worry, there is a way out of this vicious cycle. In this video, we will show you how to transform your financial life from debt to dollars in just a few simple steps. Change your mindset. As Robert Kiyosaki says, to get rich, you have to change your mindset. Think about how getting financially stable can zap away stress and give you a future that's all rainbows and unicorns. To start your financial makeover, first have an honest conversation with yourself. Don't play the blame game here. Take control of your own situation. As financial coach Steve Cronin says, pointing fingers won't do you any good. Take a good look at how you got here, examine your financial habits, and reevaluate your beliefs about money. Ask yourself why you want to improve your finances and identify your motivating factors. And instead of focusing on impulsive spending today, prioritize tomorrow. But remember, you don't have to be a total money robot. It's just about finding the right balance. Figure out where you are. Determining where you currently stand can be a tough nut to crack, but it's so essential for your journey toward financial success. To start, calculate your net worth. That's the magic number that shows where you truly stand financially. Take a tally of all your assets, what you possess, and subtract your liabilities, what you owe. This way, you will have your net worth, a snapshot of your financial standing. Now, you need to evaluate your income and daily expenses, but don't just rely on guesswork or fuzzy memory. We're talking cold, hard facts. Get down to the nitty-gritty details of your financial transactions. According to Dave Ramsey, people often end up spending a fortune over materials just to impress others, and that's not the right way. Sure, it might feel a bit uncomfortable, but knowing where you truly stand will set you up for success. Increase your monthly savings rate. You know what they say, every little bit helps, and that's especially true when it comes to your finances. Saving more money each month takes you a step closer to financial freedom. Now, expenses might not be the most exciting topic, but it's vital for your financial stability. And creating a detailed budget is the ultimate key to increasing your savings, especially during challenging times. According to the handy 50-30-20 rule, you must allocate 50% for needs like rent and groceries, 30% for wants like treating yourself, and 20% for paying off debt and savings. Remember, this is just a starting point. Customize it to suit your personal circumstances. To cut expenses, make a list of 10 doable actions tailored to your situation. So if you're dealing with a hefty amount of debt, be tough on yourself initially, because growing your savings rate takes dedication and flexibility. Beat rising inflation. With the increasing impact of skyrocketing prices on your everyday expenses, you must keep an eye out for those 2-for-1 deals and discount days. During these times of high inflation, it's all about adapting and making smart choices. So steer clear of expensive stores that can drain your wallet. Look for cost-effective supermarkets and consider alternative ways of getting around to save on fuel costs. Remember, even big shots like Warren Buffett go for savings tips like using coupons and searching for sales. After all, every little bit adds up. Pay off the debts first. The next thing to transform your finances, according to Dave Ramsey, is to pay off the debts before considering investments. Even if you've got a little nest egg saved up, those hefty debts can still hold you back from true financial freedom. That's why it's so crucial to prioritize paying them off. And while it might not be the most glamorous option, it gets the job done. So when tackling debt, you've got the snowball method, which starts with the smallest debts first, or the avalanche method, which focuses on the highest interest debts. As you start chipping away that significant debt, you'll feel your financial burden getting lighter. And with every payment you make, your bank balance will grow, giving you even more motivation to keep up the good work. Save up an emergency fund. Having an emergency fund can be a game changer. It brings peace of mind and helps you keep stress levels in check. And when you know you've got that safety net to fall back on, it positively influences your habits and behavior. According to Susie Orman, building a cash buffer is the key to your financial stability. So aim to save up enough to cover 8 months' worth of expenses. That way, if you find yourself jobless, you can still handle all your bills. Plus, with careful budgeting, you might even be able to stretch that fund to at least 9 months or maybe even more. Set realistic financial goals and invest. Dave Ramsey says set goals and start investing because this is the way to retire as a millionaire. But before you jump in, make sure you've cleared any expensive debts and build up your emergency fund. Now remember that long-term planning is key. If retirement is your endgame, figure out how much of it will come from stocks, properties, or pensions. This will help you set a target net worth and keep track of where your money is coming from. Along with that, short-term goals can also be a vital player in boosting your net worth and saving more each month. And that's all for today. Remember, informed financial decisions pave the way to a secure future. If you found this information valuable, please like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, see you soon.